Yeah, it doesn't matter.
All right, so we just unboxed the upQuietkat. There's nothing special to the unboxing, but once you get it out, you do have to swing these around so it looks like this one, so you can put your bike on it. So you'll pop up these blue things, pull this one around, then push this blue thing back down. Then you'll do the same on the other side.
And that locks it?
Yeah, and it locks it in place. So you pull the blue up, flip it around, then push the blue back down. Now it's locked in place, it won't rotate anymore. Next, you grab it and you slide it into the trailer hitch. Maybe. There you go. And then the package, you're sitting in fire ants. You're welcome. All right, so in the package, you have this lock and this spacer. That's so no one can steal your rack. And then it comes with these Allen keys. Don't throw them away because there's a little keyhole in the middle that you need. So slide it in. Put the lock through first. And then once the lock is in, down here, there's a little Allen key that you'll tighten, and that holds it in place so it doesn't slide around. Now your QuietKat's installed.